Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I was looking for a new and fun way for my son to be able to express his creativity because he loves art. I came across this magic marbling art set from Coodoo and it has been a huge hit. This set enables you to create your own abstract marble art in water and then transfer it on paper. It's really cool. What I like is that the set comes with everything you need to complete the project and very clear instructions with how to do it and be successful. So it comes with a powder that you dissolve in water and you let it sit for 3 to 5 hours. What I did is I put powder in a water bottle, let it dissolve, and we had enough in that water bottle to complete 2 projects total. They equip you with enough supplies to be able to do this several times. Even the paint itself, you only have to use a few drops, and that's enough for a single project. This art set is great for a wide variety of ages. It's not overly complicated, so young children can do it, and even myself as an adult, I have fun with it. So if you like to be creative and you're looking for something new and fun, we highly recommend this set, and that's our point of view.